Well, let's do a little channel update here. Life has been pretty busy, getting in the way of me getting anything accomplished. I've been working on this Cobra 2000 here, getting it all back to spec. Working on this KLV 250. It was new old stock, never opened. Plugged it in, smoke went barreling out of it. So one of the brand new finals was shorted to ground, and it took everything with it. And well, I got it working now. It's doing this here's putting out about 2.5 watts, swinging about 12, 14. And this on low is doing about 40, swinging 140. On high, like about 80, swinging up almost 200. And I put cheapo. It had IRF 520 ends in it. I put in these. What was it? IRF Z44s, which are about the same as I think a RT5 Ranger. They're pin compatible, so it works now. And the preamp's pretty cool on this because it's adjustable, so you don't just fill up your receiver with garbage. But yeah, I need to get some stuff back on here. I've got through all of this stuff here fixed, ready for sale. Recapped this old Crayco, put automotive style LEDs in the meter. It's real nice and bright now. Recapped this old Johnson Messenger back here. Got it working pretty good. Yep, just got to keep going at it. A lot of stuff going on here at the house. My youngest turned 2 today. We had a party yesterday. I've been working on my truck and my Expedition, and just been too busy to make YouTube videos, really. So I'm going to try to get back at it next month. Kids are going back to school tomorrow, so hopefully everything will be good, and I can finish up some of this stuff over here. That's like my unfinished pile. But yeah, not much going on here except the usual Puerto Ricans and the usual. So, but I do got this working pretty good. And hopefully, like I said, we'll get back to you next month. We'll start making regular videos again. And 73s to everybody, and hope everybody has a good September going forward and good rest of the year. It's almost 2025, so 73s, and we'll catch you later. I'm gone.